using 5 kg Jeera samba rice and 5 kg mutton to make this biryani, which can feed up to 25 people very easily. Please find the recipe in a description box which has given very detailedly. Each and every region of India has a different style of making biryanis. In that, we are going to see one of the famous biryani from Tamil Nadu. The uniqueness of this biryani is it's cooked in a wood fire, which is gonna have a nice and tender meats which enhance the flavor within the rice. Hello everyone, this is me Hafiz. Welcome back to Passionate Cooking with Chef Hafiz. In our channel, we have already shown how to make an Hyderabadi biryani and how to make a Muslim wedding style biryani, the veetu biryani. So here today, I'm going to showcase you how to make an Ambur biryani in a wood fire. Let's begin. Let's have a sunflower oil. Once the oil is heated up, I'm adding the whole garam masala, which has cinnamon sticks, cardamom and cloves. Let the garam masala release the flavor in the oil, then add sliced onion, followed by slitted green chilies. Cut the green chilies into two, the lengthwise, and add it. Saute the onion and green chilies till the golden brown color without burning them up. Once the onion is turned golden brown color, then add grinded garlic paste in the beginning. Saute it for 5 minutes. Then add ginger paste which is grinded and kept. Saute ginger and garlic along with a golden brown onion and an oil for at least 10 minutes. Then add the washed mutton and cook it further. Let the mutton cook along with the ginger garlic paste for at least 10 minutes. The flavor which the mutton absorbs the flavor of ginger garlic. To avoid sticking on the bottom, add a little bit of water, add a pinch of turmeric powder and the chilli paste. The uniqueness of Ambur biryani is the chilli paste, not to use a chilli powder. Use a grinded chilli paste and then rock salt. Cook the meat along with the spices. Let the meat cook along with chilli paste, turmeric and the rock salt. Let's observe the flavor. Observe the salt and the spiciness inside the meat. Once the meat is 40% cooked, then add roughly cut tomatoes. And some of the mint leaves and chopped coriander leaves. Mix it together. Since we are cooking in a wood fire, so we have to be really careful. It should not stick in the bottom. Add water, around 3 liters of water, and mix it thoroughly and cover the pot and cook it till the mutton cooks 75%. Once the meat is cooked 75%, add curd. Either you can have a fresh curd which you have done it at home, or you can buy a ready-made. Just mix the curd along with the meat. Ensure the meat should be cooked 75%, then you have to add curd and the lemon juice. And just close the pot. Parallelly, we're gonna keep a hot water to boil the rice. Let the water has rock salt, season with the rock salt and a little bit of pudina and the coriander leaves to get a nice flavor when you're cooking the rice. The rice has been soaked for 1 hour. The Jeera samba rice has been soaked for 1 hour. Then strain it, add it to a boiling water. Ensure the rice should be cooked 60%. When the rice is cooked, just strain it through a strainer. I'm using here a cotton cloth, so which release the water very quickly. Here I'm doing a double straining method. On the bottom there is a bamboo basket. On top of that I had put the cotton cloth. So add the remaining mint and the coriander leaves to one gravy. See the mutton gravy is completely ready, which lose out and fat oil is floating on top. Now I'm adding the strained rice over on top. Just mix it gently. Finally, I'm going to add some of chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves over the rice before doing a dum. I'm using the same cotton cloth which is wet and gonna cover the pot and keeping the lid on it. So when you're doing a dum, ensure the fire should be reduced. Now close it with the lid and keep a weight on top of it to avoid the steam is going out. The steam should be completely intact, so the rice is gonna be cooked very faster. If you like our video, please like by pressing thumbs up, subscribe our channel and click bell icon and click all button for upcoming video notifications. After half an hour of dum, then just add a little bit of orange red color and close it again, rest it for another 20 minutes. Now we can open the rice from the sides. The rice and the meat has completely cooked, very soft and very flavorful. So now I'm serving the mutton biryani on a traditional style on a banana leaf along with the moong dal halwa, some of the raita, and I have got chicken sukha on the side as a side dish. Hope you have enjoyed watching our video. If you have any questions or any suggestions, please write it in a comment box and stay tuned for more interesting recipes. Cheers.